Our next question is, a triangle ABC has angle B is equal to C. Prove that the perpendiculars from the midpoint of BC to AB and AC are equal. The perpendicular from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. Two questions are given for the same triangle. Let's draw the triangle here. So this is the triangle ABC, and it is given that angle B is equal to C. So here the angle B and C are same, and we need to prove that the perpendiculars from the midpoint of BC. So assume that the midpoint of BC is D here, and perpendiculars from the midpoint of BC to AB and AC. So here I am drawing a perpendicular, and here also I am drawing a perpendicular to the here to AC. So we need to show that the perpendiculars from the midpoint of BC to AB and AC are equal. So we need to prove this one, like I am naming this E and this as F. So we need to prove DE is equal to DF. So these two are the perpendiculars which are drawn from the midpoint of BC. So these two we need to prove that those two are equal. So here consider triangle. Anyway we need to solve using this congruency. So first of all, consider any two triangles. So by seeing this one, I can see that these two seems to be similar. So let's prove whether those are congruent or not. So the triangle BED and triangle DCF, I am considering those two. So in that, whether any congruency is there or not, we need to see. So first of all, as given, angle B is equal to angle C. So we have angle equality directly from the given source, and then it is given that D is the midpoint of BC. So that means this distance BD is equal to DC. That also we need to mention, BD is equal to DC is given. And one more, directly they said that we have drawn perpendiculars from D to E and D to F. So that means angle at E, that is DEB, is equal to angle at F, like DFC, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so we have taken 3 points from these two triangles which are having equality. So based on this we can say that these two triangles are congruent. When these two are congruent, their respective sides also will be equal, right? So from that, their respective sides like ED and DF, those are also equal. So hence proved. And second question is the perpendiculars from B and C. Perpendicular from B and C. So for example, if you draw a perpendicular from B to C like this, and here the perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. So let it be P and Q. So we need to prove BQ, that is perpendicular from B to AC, which should be equal to CP, which is a perpendicular from C to AB. So here also we got two similar triangles. If you see those, BQC is another triangle, and CPB also another triangle. Two triangles are there. Let's notify that. So triangle BQC and triangle PBC. PBC, this is one triangle, and BQC another triangle. So in that also we have right angles at P and Q. So angle CPB is equal to angle BQC, which is 90 degrees, and the lengths BC is common for those two triangles. Okay, if you consider these two, so BC is common for that. So common line, like a common side is there, and then angle also. So they have given that C is same as B. For BPC we have angle B. For CQB we have angle C. So both are same according to the statement. So angle B is equal to angle C. So using angle side angle relation, we can easily say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so according to the congruency, if these three are equal, then remaining respective sides also equal. So based on this, here we can take that PC and BQ which are same, hence proved. So first of all, what we are doing, we are bringing the triangles which are seems to be similar. So I am writing that one. From that I am fetching the equality relations, and in second case also the same. In those two, after getting those three equalities, we are confirming that those two angles are congruent. So based on the congruency rules, remaining all respective sides also equal. So based on that, we proved the required things.